Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to copy spot trades on Bitget. First, navigate to the Bitget website in your browser. Make sure to log into your account. Next, go to the Copy tab at the top navigation bar. You'll see options for futures copy trading, spot copy trading, and pot copy trading. Select the spot copy trading option from the drop-down menu. Here, you can trade faster using copy trading. Scroll down to view the elite traders with the highest ROE. Swipe right and click on Copy after selecting a trader. To access all Bitget services, make sure to complete KYC verification first. After that, agree to the terms and conditions. Choose between fixed mode or multiplier mode. Slide the circle to set your trading limit and enable auto copy mode. Lastly, hit the next button to finalize your choice and start copying spot trades on Bitget. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.